After a busy 2025, Samsung is turning its attention to the new devices for 2026, and the Galaxy S26 series led by Galaxy S26 Ultra figures to be the first products out of the gate, even if that happens a little later than expected. In recent Januaries, we'd be counting down the days to the next Galaxy Unpacked event and the inevitable Galaxy S Flagship reveal, but rumors have that launch getting pushed back a few weeks this year. But regardless of when the Galaxy S26 Ultra arrives, this update to Samsung's premium phone should be contender for one of the best phones of the year. And even if the launch date for the next Samsung Ultra model is up in the air, some of the details are not. Here is what we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra based on rumors and leaks. We have also got an early S26 Ultra versus Galaxy S25 Ultra comparison that reveals the biggest potential changes. In recent years, Samsung has been pretty consistent with the release date of its S-series phones, while the phones used to arrive in spring as late as May 29 in the case of the Galaxy S3 since 2019. The handset have shipped no later than the March 6 with launch events held in January or February. The release schedule has been trending earlier too. The Galaxy S25 Ultra arrived on February 7 last year, while the S24 launched on January 31, 2024. If Samsung were sticking to the strategy, that would mean a launch event this month with the Galaxy S26 Ultra in our hands by mid-February. Samsung is not sticking to that strategy apparently amid reports that the company is scrapping the Galaxy S26 Edge and reviving a Galaxy S26 Plus in its place. The Galaxy S26 launch may be pushed back. The thinking now is Samsung will delay the launch event, with specific reports claiming that Galaxy Unpacked will happen on February 25. If that happens, you wouldn't see the new models arrive in stores until March. An even bigger question is whether Samsung will raise prices this year. The Galaxy S25 Ultra started at $1,299 rising to $1,419 for 512GB storage or $1,659 for 1TB, which is the same set of MSRPs as its predecessors. However, skyrocketing RAM costs apparently have Samsung unsure as to what it should charge for its Galaxy S26 phones. As the Galaxy S lineup is a prime source of revenue, Samsung really can't afford to sell those phones at a loss. As a result, some rumors point to higher prices for the Galaxy S26 model in some market, though it's unclear if that includes the US or the UK. It would be hugely surprising if the Galaxy S26 Ultra doesn't impress with its improvements over past models. The big question though is whether that will be enough to justify the price of an upgrade, particularly if Samsung charges more for the new phone. While it sounds like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and additional RAM will offer unbeatable performance, other areas sound more incremental, especially on the photography side of things. With another month until the phone appears, at least if Samsung has pushed back the S26 launch event, we are hoping that more details appear. And given the pace of leaks so far, that seems inevitable.